What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be unboxing a SyncUP Kids Watch from T-Mobile, and we have a special guest.
I can't see.
There you go. Wave. Say hi. So, my daughter has one of these SyncUP watches, and my son, Connor. Say hi, Connor.
I got.
Put your hand over here. Boop. We gotta look over here. This is really good. My son Connor wants one, so we got him one too. What's cool about these watches is they have just enough features so they're useful and not so many that they're overwhelming or distracting for my kiddos. So Connor is going to be unboxing this with me today. So what's neat about it, well, some of the cool features is it has voice calling and video. So from within the app, you can make video phone calls. It has text messaging. School mode, which quiets everything down, a flashlight. Now this wasn't opened, but my son did peel this off, and it works with Apple and Android. The whole idea of this watch is that you don't need a phone. So the app, this is more in reference to the app that you can install on your device. It will work with Android or iPhone. So you get the watch, the nylon band, a black silicone band, a charging dock, USB cable, and the quick start guide. We're not going to be going through the setup. We're just going to be opening it up today. Normally it gives you like an approximate location, but you can turn on like a real-time mode where it gives you pretty instantaneous updates. You can set boundaries so when, like, for example, he gets to school or leaves school, it will let me know. It's going to help an emergency button and two cameras. It's got a forward-facing camera, I believe, and a top-facing camera. So why don't you go ahead and open it up, buddy?
Okay.
Pull the top off. Not like this. Here, just lift it up.
All right.
What do you think, bud? What do we got in there?
All right.
Hold it over here a little more. What do you think of the way it looks?
Great.
Yeah, you like the way it looks?
Now let's take this off.
All right, so let's take a look. Let's put this aside for a sec. Keep your head back so people don't see your little noodle. So this is the plastic band. It comes with the Velcro one on there already. And it comes with a charging cable. I believe this is USB A to C. Let's see. Yep. And you want to pop that up?
Yeah.
Pop it up. That's cool. What's neat about that is the watch sits right on there.
But Daddy.
Yeah, bud?
Can we have this one?
Yeah, you can put that band on there.
Okay.
We'll put that on in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
So that's pretty much everything you get. There is some pamphlets and stuff like that in here. Goes over the device and whatnot, how to install the app. But I've already done that. I'm not going to go over all this stuff. Gives you the link for the app. And that's about it. So let's see. Let's take a look at the bands here. All right, let's put that down, bud. Let me see this guy for a sec.
Okay.
Now, to open it up, take the band off. There's a little metal latch back here. On both sides, comes right off. To put the new one on, it's pretty much the reverse. I am curious if his little hands will be, his wrist will be big enough for this. So my buddy here, my assistant today, is going to be 6 soon. Actually 5.5, so not really soon, but doing this with a kiddo on your lap is definitely interesting. Let me see your arm, bud. Let's see if this thing,
Okay.
bad boy fits
But
in.
can you make it tight so it doesn't look like that part? Does it fall upside down here?
You got it, dude. Let me see your other hand. Other hand. Let's see what we got. Turn your hand over. Let's see if it fits. All right. It's like they knew they were making it for a kid, and they got 2 of the bands here to keep the everything clean. It fits all right. It's a little big on you, but what do you think?
It's not turning.
It's not loose. Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Does that feel good?
The other one Papa gave me was a little loose.
The one pop-up gave you was a little loose.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I love it.
Yeah. Well,
Wait, can I try
we
turning
gotta
it
keep.
on?
We gotta let's try. Yeah, see what happens if I turn it on.
Oh.
We might need some juice. Put your head back, bud. Huh? There you go. It's popping up.
What's this juice mean?
The battery power.
Oh. is the best.
Yeah, you're excited about your new watch?
Yeah.
Let's see if it turns all the way on what we get. I'm gonna show all the people. What do you think, bud? You want to try the other band on, or you want this one?
I'm gonna keep this on when I'm keep this on when I'm 6, and when I'm 7, I'm used to wear it, and when I'm 8, I'm gonna wear this one.
Yeah, you're gonna wear this. This is your 6 and 7 band. This is your 8 band.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna wear this when I'm still 7.
All right. Well, let's say goodbye to everybody. So, thank you everyone for stopping by and checking out this cool watch with my boy Connor today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. God, give me a thumbs up. Over here, next to my thumb. If you like it, thumbs down. If you don't like it, thumbs down.
A maybe.
And
A maybe.
as always, thanks for subscribing. Peace. Give me one of these, bud.
Is it-
Awesome.
Wait. Watch it. Watch.